Good morning all, welcome back again. March Madness. We are over halfway now and we are trotting along to the end of the month. How fast is 2025 already going by? Oh my Lord. Anyway, today we are doing the shoulder bridge. So, it's the first time you see me with my glasses on. I'm going to actually take them off. All right, we're on our back. Our knees are bent and our feet are hip width apart. Our hands are down on the mat. And if we lift our butt and then just lower it, our spine is in a neutral position, okay? I normally warm up the class with some lower back arches, which would be just arching the back up off the mat and then imprinting all the way down. We do a few of these. Shoulder bridge, the way I do them in my class, we arch up with the shoulders off, and then we lower the shoulders, the middle back, the lower back to the imprint. We lift up the pelvis and we roll up. Flatten through the stomach, and then we roll back down the spine. So we're rolling down the upper spine, we're rolling down the middle spine, and we're rolling down the lower spine, and then we're rotating the hips to come back up into that arch. And then we're lowering the upper, the middle, the lower, and rolling up. So each way, it's a roll. Lower, middle, roll. Now lower, sorry, start with the upper. Rotate, up, upper, middle, lower, lift, roll. I'm going to do one more. That feels so good. Really make sure you're rolling down that spine. And up. And down. And that is shoulder bridge. So I hope you've been enjoying March Madness. I do love, for myself, also being able to go back and tune into the moves and share them with you. But it also reminds me if there's any in class that I've been neglecting. It makes me polish up on my technique. So it's not just a good way for me to show you what are the OG base moves in the Joseph Pilates repertoire, but it's a good way for me to touch base with my practice as well. So I do hope you're enjoying it. I am enjoying it, and I will be back with you for the next one tomorrow. See ya.